Hello everyone and welcome to Switch to Linux. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a topic which is really important to me, and is the Linux integration with modern technologies such as AI. Long story short, Microsoft recently announced the integration of Copilot Plus for Windows, where you can have Copilot right into your taskbar, and then you can just with one click access to all the capabilities of the AI models from OpenAI right from Copilot on Windows. So you can generate images, you can have prompts, you can generate articles, you can validate information, and much more. And I think this is a really powerful tool, so I decided to implement all that into my Linux desktop. It happens that when I was using Plasma 5, I had the integration with ChatGPT, but it was clunky and it was just a Windows loading and fixed on my screen. But now, after the latest update to Plasma 6, all the integration stopped working because the applet was not functional for Plasma 6. So when I was about to give up, I even tried writing a new model for KDE. I tried AI to provide me with the code. I read the official documentation to write the code myself. And I was about to give up, and I just found this amazing plugin which allows you not just to have ChatGPT, Copilot Plus, but you can have all the models running right from the Linux desktop. And this includes accessing directly to their APIs, or you can mask yourself so that they don't know who is accessing their APIs. So you can do it with DuckDuckGo Chat, which includes all the models, or you can go directly to ChatGPT, Copilot. This module is highly customizable, and if you want to find out more, please stay tuned because we are going to switch to the computer. Okay, so first, the reason why I'm using Windows is because this is a brand new laptop, so if I install Linux on it, I will lose my warranty. However, I'll do it anyway. I'm going to install Arch Linux on it. But first, I wanted to try this out on a virtual machine, which I created with Endeavor OS, which you will see right away. However, this is the website of the developer of the Plasmoid. It's called Chat AI. So if you want to go follow them, give some donations, that would be appreciated, and I will leave the link in the description below. So let's go right into the VM so that we can start the video. As you can see, this is the Endeavor OS running on a virtual machine. I'm gonna put in my password. Hold on a second, this is loading. So it may be kind of slow because I'm running on a virtual machine, but you will see that the integration with the Chat AI works perfectly fine. So in order to install it, let me show you first how it works. As you can see, I have selected ChatGPT. This is the one I'm using, the current model. But you can choose whatever you want. You can ask questions like, let's say, please create a CSS slider with JavaScript. So you submit the prompt and you'll see that it will automatically create the code for you. It's just as using the regular ChatGPT, but you also have options to switch to other, like for example Copilot from Microsoft, so that you can generate images. Of course, it is more powerful if you're signed in because you have the ability to generate images. Which I won't do it because it will ask me to put in my Microsoft account, and I don't want to do that right now. And you have others such as Google Gemini, but that requires a Google account to work. But from DuckDuckGo Chat, it allows you to access other AI models without like they having your personal information stored. For example, here I have Cloud 3 selected. But you can select ChatGPT or Yama or Mixtral. Right now I have it on Cloud. So if you click on start new conversation, you can ask questions like, what's the purpose of life? Let's see what it answers. So it doesn't have a definite answer, but as you can see, this is AI working on the Linux desktop. This is specifically KDE Plasma, the version 6, and I will show you how to install these these AI models right now. So you can click whatever you want. It could be the desktop, the panel you want to edit, or whatever. I'm going to add it um, to this dock that I created, which is just a plasma panel. So if you click show panel configuration, you go to add widgets, and then get new widget. So download new plasma widget, and you can search for chat AI. You will see it pop right here. As you can see, I have it installed. You don't, so I don't have to install it. You must have to install it. But after you have it installed, you can just go to add widget, chat AI, and you will see it right here. You can put it on your desktop. You can put it on this panel or this one. I will not gonna put it because I already have it. But that's pretty much it on a nutshell. If you like my plasma theme, how I have everything configured, just let me know, and I'm gonna do another tutorial on how to get everything set as I have it. But for now, this was the topic of the video. AI integrated right into Linux. So if you have any questions, please leave it on the comment section below. Please like this video, share it for help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And that's it for now. Peace.